Hey guys, it's Jake with Grizzly Tactical. So today we're going to be putting on a pinky extension on our magazines on the Smith and Wesson Shield. So first you're going to want to get something pointy like a pin or a pen or something or a nail to depress that rectangle thing on the bottom of the magazine. And so you're going to want to take that spacer off on the 8-round magazine because it does serve a function there, as you can see. So you're going to be putting that back on towards the end. So you're going to want to depress that little rectangle button and then slide the bottom grip plate out towards the tapered end and then just slide the new one on while still depressing the magazine. And if you don't depress that, then your magazine spring will come out, and it's not the end of the world, but just makes things a little more difficult. So as you can see, it definitely helps for the 7-round mag for sure to get that extra pinky on there. You'll see in a sec how it's not as needed on the 8-round mag. For the 8-round mag, just slide that grip plate off, put the new one on, and it just snaps right in there. And then you're going to put that spacer back on because you need that. It won't really feed the gun right if you don't have that on. And so there, see, it's almost too much. So I see a purpose for it on the 7-round mag, because there you can see the flush didn't have any room for my pinky, but for this it's a little too long for my liking, at least. But that's how you put on a pinky extension on your magazine on your Smith and Wesson Shield. Thanks for watching, guys.